Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Archie from Eat, Love, and Explore. And today, I'm going to be upgrading our steering wheel for our Tesla Model Y 2023 to this yoke that we got from our friend from tessery.com. Let's go ahead and check what's in the box. All right, let's go. So it came in with this really nice box, very secured. And we have the yoke inside. So it's wrapped up with this white mesh to protect the leather. Ooh, look at that. Very nice. One is a real leather all around the yoke. And this is real carbon fiber. It's really nice. I like it. And we have the airbag cover. I'm gonna be replacing our old one too with this one. Matches the color of our car. It's gonna look really nice. And also we have the tools we're gonna need for the installation. We have the Allen wrench, the T20 screw, and they also provided us with 10mm hex bit. We're also gonna need a wrench and an extension. Now let's go to the garage, take off the round steering wheel. All right, it's time to say goodbye to this old school round steering wheel. All right, so before we do anything, let's open this window right here and leave this door open. So open the passenger door as well, and as well as the window. And then turn off the power for safety, and then power off. All right, the car is off. Here we go. It's time to say goodbye to the round steering wheel. So first thing we're gonna do is we are going to remove the airbag. So there are two holes at the bottom here. We're gonna need a couple of these skinny Allen wrenches or one of these small screwdriver. Okay, I think this one would work. It's gonna fit. Yep. Okay, let's pop this airbag off. What I'm gonna do is gonna push that pin that holding that airbag. Look for it or feel it where that pin is at. All right, there you go. Now it's off. Perfect. Alright then. So next step is to remove those two harnesses, one for the airbag and one for the all the controllers. Okay, and you could use one of these long nose pliers. Remove the yellow one first, the yellow harness, and that's for the airbag. Airbag is off. Put that one aside, and then let's do the purple one. All right, easy. And then the next step is to remove that center bolt off. To remove the center bolt off, you're gonna need a 10mm hex bit and an extension and your wrench. All right, so you're just gonna hold here for leverage. Use your knees to stop the steering wheel from turning. It's kind of hard, but why don't we do this? Just turn the wheel all the way to the left. All right, let's try this. Try this again. Hopefully it works. There you go. Cool. All right, now it's off. Oh, by the way, every time you leave a car and come back, it turns back on, so just be careful. Let's turn it off again. Turn it off. All right, now let's turn it back straight. Now it's kind of push like this to loosen up. Wiggle it a little bit. All right, Now it's off. That's it. Easy. Let's go to my workbench and take these guts off and transfer all these onto the yoke steering wheel. All right, let's go. All right, so we're gonna swap out all the components from here to the yoke. So first thing we're gonna do, we are going to remove those 4 screws right here. 1, 2, 3, 4 with T25 bit. Well, I think I'm gonna have to turn it over and take off this part right here. And there are clips holding it together right down here. So let's do that. There you go. Much easier to take off everything. Here you go. Easier. And now you're gonna have to take this harness. I believe this is for the heating. There's like a couple of clips that's holding it together. Just gonna have to pry that thing open there to get that harness out of there. All right, there you go. And then I think I'm gonna use my tweezer to push that pin, get this harness off. There you go. All right, the guts are off. Continue. Let's remove this harness right here and the blue one. All right, and for the heating module. There you go. Put this one aside. And now let's take this panel off. Let's put this air cover aside. Take this off. Be very careful. You don't want to break it. This one is done. Now let's do the airbag cover. So what I'm gonna do is do it the easy way, all right? Because I don't think I'm gonna need this in the future. So I'm just gonna, cut it off and do it faster, all right? All right, let's do this. I'm just gonna cut this tab right here. All right, cut them all off. Alright, it's a little bit harder than I thought, but I ended up cutting it with a cutter, so it'll be easier. But it is what it is. Alright, let's continue. All we have to do now is put the new cover on. It's supposed to be just snap on. Alright. Okay, you can hear those clicks. All right, all done. Now let's go to the garage and install this yoke to the car. All right, let's go. All right, let's go ahead and install this yoke. Woo, it's ready. And first, turn off power off. Now let's put this on, line it up, give it a little bit of push. Yep, that's it. Okay, let's put the center bolt in. Use the wrench to tighten. Okay, I think it's tight enough. Let's go make sure it's really tight. Let's turn the wheels to that side and let's try it one more time. Oh, okay, I think that's tight enough. Oh. Now let's put the harness back in, and now let's do the airbag. Harness back on there. Now let's push this in. Oop, there it is. You heard it. Woo, looks really good. All right. Volume. All right, volume looks good. Skip. All right, left button looks good. And let's try the right button. Open glove box. All right, that one works. All right, everything looks good. Everything seems to be working. All right, let's do a test drive. Oh, look at this. Loving the color. I'm loving the feel. Let's do a test drive. Go back up. Oh, it feels weird. Feels weird, but feels lighter. It's pretty cool. Hand over hand steering. Okay, I like it. Feels like lighter to turn. It's nice to be able to just relax your hands here. I really love it. The quality, the finish, and the overall feel are even better than the OEM. Big thanks to Tessery for this yoke. If this is something you would like on your Tesla, head over to tessery.com and use our discount code to save some money. I'll drop the discount code and website link in the description below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.